So everybody asks all the time about like, how do you create, content? How do you do stuff? Well, that's what we're going to do right now. We've created a little system called the Man Up Ice Bath Club. And it kind of got a little bit of a life of its own. And yes, I'm putting a lot of energy behind it. And the reason why I do it is because like all the physiology is great. Like it exercises your vascular system. You get, cold shock proteins. It's good for your cognition and your mental clarity. But that's not why I do it. And by the way, like in some ways it's easier, but it's still hard. And every night it's like, I gotta go do this. And this is the cool part about an accountability partner. We have a little group. We've got Jordan, we've got Scott, we got Carson, we got Caden. We had a newbie last night, Carl, but he just told me he can't come tonight. So I don't know if that really cuts in, but it's not because he doesn't want to. It's like, hey, I got another commitment, but it makes you just tough, like mentally tough. Like I love looking at, motivational stuff. I've got a YouTube channel they follow that they come up with motivational stuff that says, hey, you know what? The car can get shut off. The lights can go wrong. Like all of that. And it's not over because I'm still breathing. That's what ice baths, I feel, do. So that's what we're getting ready to do. I'm going to go show everybody, like, this is our little ice bath system that we got. We can do it. Anybody can do it.
Man up. Step to the edge. You may never need to go there, but knowing you can is power. The Nightly Ice Bath Challenge. 3 minutes to reduce inflammation, speed up muscle recovery, flush out lactic acid, and trigger endorphins that boost your mood and cut stress. But the real reward? Knowing you can do hard things. Life won't defeat you. Toughness isn't given, it's built from within. On the other side of this challenge, you meet your after self, the best, toughest version of you. That's why we do ice baths. Dive in. Find your edge every night at 9 p.m. Dr. Westhouse.
I'll make it what, 3?
3 minutes is really good. Okay, so it's the next day. I love ice baths. I mean, I hate them to get in, but I feel really good. I slept great last night. It took me a while to get warm. But I feel so mentally tough. I know how to exercise my endothelial and my vascular system. And so I'm gonna do it again tonight. I just have to do it fast. I have to get out of the room, just go jump right in, or I talk myself out of it. That's kind of what I do after work.